What we got here is Kansept's light yellow version of their Main Street, and it is of course 154 steel, 154 cm. It's got a different clip on it that is titanium, but this is G10 and it is light yellow. They do come out with a jade version as well. I've seen this on White Mountain knives and it's pretty excellent, just like its brother, the micarta version right here. So yeah, they're both the same size. One thing that is a little different is you may notice, if this focuses, that this here's got little Main Street on it, but there already is a little Main Street which is considerably smaller. However, with this one here, the Main Street just says Main Street, and they finally got it right. So all in all, fantastic knife, and couldn't recommend it enough.